Valplast is a nylon thermoplastic, meaning the pink is a thermoplastic, but it also has nylon fibers inside of it throughout to help it with its resiliency. Valplast is a very strong, tough, pliable material. You can bend it like a credit card. It will always bounce back to its shape. Patients love it because it's aesthetic, it's comfortable, it snaps in, it's metal-free in this particular design, and it lasts for a lifetime. In fact, Valplast is guaranteed for the life of the patient. It's really a remarkable product.